Morning, Sarge here. Been a while since I've done a video, so thought I'd put something out and maybe update you on the furnace project. So I just put together some videos. I'll show them at the end here, put them on the end. Been pretty busy with school and getting ready for doing some training, getting ready for deployment. Try not to leave anything in the works at work. Trying to finish it all. Smoking my little Bernie number 13. Thank you, Bern. Good smoker. Having some Frogmorton cellar. Pretty good. Just opened this tin. Pretty good. Nice and fresh. And man, I don't like Bicks, so went ahead and powder coated one of my Zippos orange. It's a V-twin orange. Modified it. Put a 3/8 end mill to it. So now it's a pipe lighter. So Stu, there's your orange lighter. Hope it doesn't have to be a Bic. I'm a Zippo guy. I need to thank all my new subscribers. I haven't been staying up on the videos too much. Kind of hit and miss. Hardly ever at home. Mostly at work. I have more time there now. New subscribers. And all the support I'm getting from you guys for the upcoming deployment. Some good trades I've made for cigars and tobacco lately. Thanks, Nick. Looking forward to the sticks, and hope you like the MREs. Everybody's been commenting on, or a lot of guys. I sent out some couple of presses I did, some tobacco presses. Now I didn't weigh anything. I just wanted to test the presses, so I just grabbed stuff I had sitting here and put it under some tonnage. And I just wanted to try the presses. So the blends turned out pretty good. I've been smoking them both. Scott, I heard from the Dagners said they smell good, but I don't know if they like the flavors or not. J-Mac, he liked it. I wish I had more. I'd have sent out a lot more. Wow. Now let me I'll show you the first press I built. And now this stuff's all scrap. Just stuff I can find laying around and to use with the tools that I have at hand. So this is basically 4-inch square, quarter wall, stainless steel. It's I think 64 cubic inches. The bottom plate welded a big chunk of stainless on, and so it fits inside the bottom, and they are marked because they fit best one way. So those little dog ears, I grab those with a bearing puller and just start putting the torque to it. And the lid is pretty much the same. Got a big bar of stainless welded to it, and that goes inside. And there's a, you look in some of the machinery handbooks, there's calculations you can do in there to figure the clamping forces with specific torques on specific size bolts with specific threads. So it's pretty much, you know, ballpark You know, you can get the size of your, select the size of my bolt, the diameter, and the torque I put on it, and it's pretty much a swag, but I mean, you're getting within a half a ton anyway, I'm sure. But it was pretty fun. I did both presses in this first one, and then I built this smaller one. This one's, it's taller, but it's thinner. It's 3-inch square, and it's built pretty much the same way. Big chunks of stainless steel. Put it together and put some force on it. They're built to either go in a direct reed press, you know, hydraulic press, like an H or an I-beam frame presses, and read your tonnage that you're putting on them. Leave them in there for a few days if you can. You can also use a big ass C clamp or a bearing puller. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take off. If anybody's interested in these things, I'm gonna take offers on them. I'm not gonna put a price on them. If you're interested in playing with some pressing, tobacco pressing, give me a holler. You know, I'll cut them loose. I gotta fund some more parts for my my M4. Kind of upgrading the issue stuff, you know, makes life better when you got better equipment. So that's what I'm gonna do with it. What else? Really haven't been doing much else, just school, which I'm almost done with. I have one more module to do, and I should be able to test out of that next week, and I'll be done for a while. Work almost cleaned up. I'll be bringing my tools home next week, I think, the end of next week. Got to bring them home because my toolboxes will get raped if I'm not around that long. Been doing some riding. It's raining today, but when it ain't raining, I've been getting on the bike, just tooling around, trying to get the miles on it so I can get it down, have it dynoed up, and be ready to rock. Well, I guess that's about it. I'll tag on the furnace stuff here. Poured my first 5 pounds last night. If it quits raining, I'll probably do another 5-pound pour. Maybe get some small parts ready to pour just for testing. I need to do some brass and bronze, so I need to get into that. Propane burners seems a little small. Takes a little while to heat the thing up, so I might look into making a little bit larger burner. Feed it the fuel. I hope you all are doing well. I do try to keep up on the videos. We'll be keeping in touch. Take care of yourselves and stay frosty. Okay, I just finished setting the bottom of the furnace with refractory. That's going to be the drain there in the center. This is the top, and that'll be the vent. So that's the base. Then this PVC will go in the center. And refractory will go all around it. That's the next step. And pull the PVC, and then we'll let it all dry. So got about I don't know, 110 pounds of refractory total to put in. All right, I've already put the material in and pulled the cores. These are the cores that I had. Let the refractory set for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then pull the cores. It's pretty stout. It's a lot drier than I thought it would be.
supposed to handle above about 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit. So looking forward to some, well, we'll have to calcine the furnace next week. That'll be the initial firing to finish curing the refractory. Make sure all the water's removed. So probably the week after, depending on how it goes, we'll be doing some pigging out, some scrap. So I'll probably film that as well. Good morning. Getting ready for a little 5K run, but I thought I'd give you an update on this furnace real quick. Picked up some lamps from work. These are 250 watt quartz tube lamps. They put out some pretty good heat. This is set up, one lamp in each, the main body and the lid. You see it's pretty bright. And shoot a temperature. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that. So it's sitting in there 180 or so. They've been sitting at ambient temperature for 4 days. Basically whatever's in the garage, anywhere from 50 to 65 degrees. Then last night I started them on these lamps, and I'll let them go probably till tomorrow. Get most of the moisture out. You stick your hand in underneath the lamp, you can feel the moisture still. So tomorrow I'll start the first fire, or the calcining, to make sure all the moisture's out. That'll bring it up to full fire temperature over a period of probably 12 hours. Alright, here's the setup for calcining. Just bringing the furnace temperature up to operational. Got my propane can there. Going to my burner. I think I'm only running about 3 pounds right now, keeping it low. Bring the temperature up slow. I don't think you could even see the flame in there. We'll bring it up and try to maintain about 400 degrees for a couple hours. And we're at about around 200. And then we'll raise it up slowly to over the course of the next like 6 hours. Bring it up to operation. Something over 2,000 degrees. And then I'll let it cool down and start my first melt. Got a big pile over here to take care of. I'll pig all this out before I start casting anything. And working on it for a couple hours. And we're up to average temperature of just over 1,000 degrees. I got a couple more hours to do it. I just found this interesting. Just opened it up, running a couple hundred or about 1,000 degrees for about 2 hours now. And I think you can see that dark line to the exterior. It's just driving the moisture out to the back. And I noticed it was coming out between the separation of the lid and the base. Thought that was pretty cool. Furnace is fired up, but I don't like how it's running. It's just taking entirely too long to heat up. It's only at about 800 degrees in there. It's got a little bit of a sputter. Might not be feeding it enough fuel even at 15 pounds. Right now I got a quarter inch line feeding it from the tank. I might go to 3/8, see what happens. I'm going to try to I do have some cast in there, some scrap. I'm going to try to get that melted down and pigged out. Pour it in these ingots I got, the molds. I just finished my first pig out pour. These are the ingots I got. That one probably weighs 4.5 pounds. That one's only going to be a pound or so. Didn't get much out of it. Had to switch crucibles. That one's made out of stainless. Just, I guess I was just taking too long to heat up the whole chamber. Maybe it wasn't fully cured. Once it started to get hot, it seemed to melt down pretty good. Just got to work on things, I think. Make a little bit more efficient with the propane. But that's it.